This Wi-Fi ready washer by Samsung has a soft closing lid with a swirl tub design and easily accessible softener and detergent dispenser. The detergent dispenser removes easily for cleaning. It features a built-in water faucet that allows you to preheat soiled garments or scrub items inside the washer, eliminating the need for a laundry room sink. It has a loading capacity of 5.2 cubic feet with a maximum spin speed of 750 RPMs. It comes with 12 preset wash cycles, including a cycle called Deep Wash. This cycle fills the washer to the maximum water level for your load. As you select different cycles, you'll notice the estimated time, wash temp, spin speed, and soil levels will change. This is to ensure optimum results for each selection. You also have the option to change the preset cycles to your desired preference, and doing so could affect the wash times. To learn more about washers, check us out at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.